Here's our last stop on our tour of our booth. We want to talk about our ISLG product, our natural gas engine. And joining me is Bill Boyce. Bill, good morning.
Good morning.
Bill, you're with Cummins Westport, so I think a good way to start off is tell us a little bit about what Cummins Westport is and what it means, and then talk a little bit about the product.
Okay. Cummins Westport is a joint venture between Cummins Engine Company and a company called Westport Innovations out of Vancouver, British Columbia. It started off as an engineering company and then went into engine products and development of engine products. So they got together and started producing natural gas engines, and that's what sort of developed into the ISLG natural gas engine. Let me tell you a little bit about it. This is an 8.9 liter engine. It's manufactured in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. It's made on the same assembly line as the diesel product. Mm-hmm. It's not a conversion. It's made as and designed and engineered as a natural gas product. It will run on various fuels, compressed natural gas, mm-hmm. Liquid natural gas, which is nothing more than compressed natural gas, cooled to minus 260 degrees and stored that way. Mm-hmm. And this engine will also run on 100% biomethane. Okay. So we can use landfill gas, gas out of digesters, mm-hmm. From waste management and that type of stuff. So the engine will run on most natural gas fuels.
Okay. Talk a little bit about the performance of the product.
This engine has horsepower ratings from 250 to 320 horsepower and up to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. If you would compare this to the ISL diesel product in the same horsepower configurations, the horsepower and torque curves are pretty much identical. So that's a big difference from what the older natural gas engines were. This engine has 34% more torque at idle than the previous natural gas engines, which is really important to our major fleets, which are refuse and transit, where there's a lot of heavy loads and a lot of start and stopping. So they need that extra get up and go at the low RPM. So it pretty much compares to the diesel products. The drivers see very little difference between this and the diesel counterparts.
So that's the news about Cummins here at the Mid-America Trucking Show. I hope you've enjoyed the different segments that we've presented. So as you leave, the takeaway is that Cummins delivers better performance, better fuel economy, and better reliability. And those are the things that make every truck better.